Good day, everyone. So today we will be applying the things we have learned from school that can help our environment. First is the segregation of waste materials. So I'm gonna be collecting all of the empty containers, bottles, and put them in the proper place. I'll put these here in the plastic first and bring them outside. I have to take off my mask so you can see me talk. And so, here we are sa loob ng aming bakuran. We have this.
Yeah.
And this part
Yeah.
is where you put the glass bottles. And here are the plastic bottles. So here I'll put the breakable bottles. Then I'll put the plastic bottles here. There, we're done. And we can recycle it or sell it sa mga mangangalakal. Next is the compost and natural fertilizer. Ito po ay pinagsama-samang nabubulok na bagay like dried leaves, rice husk, carbonized rice hulls, and we put them in the old sacks and we plant them with different veggies. Come on, let's take a look at it. This po is the lumang tulong ng harvester and we planted pechay inside it. And here are the eggplants. Here is the chili pepper and the upo. As you can see, dito lang po sa gilid ng bakod. There's no chili pepper. At dito po we have bitter gourd or ampalaya.
Let's go.
And now, an alternative and natural fertilizer. I'm going to cook rice, and yung pinaghugasan, I'll save it and water it to my mom's plants. See? It's lush, healthy. Thanks for watching. I hope you have learned something.